Traveling is one of life's greatest joys, but it also comes with its fair share of risks. The importance of staying safe and healthy while exploring the world cannot be overstated. A traveler's checklist prioritizing health and safety is crucial. Plan ahead, and you can enjoy your adventures without worry. First on our checklist is medication and hygiene. It's vital to update your vaccinations and pack necessary medications, prescriptions, and a first aid kit. Don't forget copies of your passport and travel insurance documents. Carry hand sanitizer and use it often. Remember, prevention is better than cure, especially when you're miles away from home. Next up, we focus on food and water. Keeping hydrated is crucial, but stick to bottled water, especially when tap water quality is questionable. Be cautious with food choices. Avoid street vendors unless hygiene is assured, and approach unfamiliar fruits or shellfish with caution. When in doubt about food and water safety, it's better to err on the side of caution. Lastly, let's talk about safety while exploring. Leave your valuables at home and don't flaunt expensive items. Consider a money belt for cash and important documents. Learn basic local phrases and don't forget your sunscreen and hat. Being vigilant and prepared can make all the difference in your travel experience. To sum up, your health and safety should always be a priority when traveling. Remember to consider medication, hygiene, safe food and water choices, and cautious exploring. Thanks for watching. Do you have any other travel safety tips to share? Please leave them in the comments below.